Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about Helen the Crafty Gamer. Now, Helen has a list of products that she wants to sell. Some of them are already priced, but some of them are also labeled as pending price. To find the items that she still needs to price, she wants to use the ISNUMBER function. All rows that return as false, meaning it's not a number or not a price, she will still need to price those out. Now you can see here she has her list of the product ID, the pricing associated, and then the column that we're going to be working in, which is column C, is number. Over here you can actually see how this is going to be written out. All that's needed is just selecting the cell that you're trying to analyze if it is or is not a number. So we'll select column C and then type in the equal symbol and is number. And once you have that function selected, it'll add the parenthesis, and all you need to select is the value you're looking at. Since we always want to stay on the same row, we're working on row 2 in column C, and we're going to select in row 2 column B, or cell B2. Now I'll add that last parenthesis and press enter. And now this clearly shows you that the information in B2, it is in fact a number. It's true that it's a number. Now I'm going to double click this little square. I'm going to reselect cell C2 and double click this little square. And when I do that, it fills in the function to all of these cells. And it updates according to the row that it's on. So you can actually see this one says false for row 4, but also it's been updated to look for data in row 4. And now she can easily see which items are true and false, and then she can focus in on all of the items that are false and still need the pricing added. This totally simplifies what Helen was doing because she can easily find, in a fashion that she prefers, what items still are pending a price or still need information added. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment in the section below, and until next time, have fun excelling!